Alright, ladies and gents, off to good old Lake Gregory. Let's see how we do. That Golden State mice tail. Oh, he's just a little fella. Man, he's fighting. I'll show you guys how I hooked up these mice tails. I come in from backwards, so I start the hook from the back towards the front, so it comes out right at the ball here. And that usually seems to do a good job hooking them up. Just like that, so it's sticking right out by the head. And here's the rig, Carolina rig, 1/4 ounce egg sinker, Carolina keeper, about a 15-inch leader, down to the old GSF chartreuse and orange mice tail. Let's see if we can get some more. Decent one. Stay out of my other rod. I see that into it. Decent little trout. Alright, good looking little trout. Alright guys, show you the rig I caught the last one on. Got a 1/4 ounce egg sinker there, Carolina keeper, down to a number 18 treble hook, and some of the old corn yellow power bait on there. It was about a 14-inch leader. See if we can get some mo. There we go. Nah, it doesn't feel that big. Oh yeah? Yeah, a little stalker. Feels like a little bit better one. And they're loving that power bait. There you go. Nope. There we go. Nice looking fish. That bobber off there. Oh, okay. Alright, might be on there. Down there?
It's gone.
You sure? I think your drag's too loose. Yeah, it's running. It's on there. Look, you got a good one. Don't reel when it's running. Okay, now reel.
Yeah, it's there still.
Yeah, you got a good one. Here. Okay. Let me get the net. No, it sounds like it's good. Okay.
Beautiful fish.
Yeah.
But then I got hooked onto
There it is.
Yellowfin. They do a lot of saltwater in this.
Oh,
There you go.
first fish.
That's your first fish?
Yes.
All right. High five.
Thank you.
You have to take a picture and eat the
Yes.
heart.
Here, I'll get him out for you.
You gotta eat the heart, then you have to take a picture.
Oh, wow. This is my first fish.
Wow.
No wonder you
Nice
smell.
fish.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Fishy.
Here, I'll take the rod so you can take a picture. You can hold it up here. Yeah, there you go.
My first fish.
Chunky bro.
It's a nicer sized one. Yeah, it's a good sized one. Yeah. Cammy, the net's right behind you.
New.
Wow, look at that. Whoa. That's huge.
Yeah, that's a good size one. It's probably about a 5-pounder. Some footage of it. There you go. Probably just shy of 5 pounds. Good smoke. All right, ladies and gents, there you have it. Great day over at Gregory. Turned out to be a bait and weight day. News to me. Didn't see it in the video, but I was throwing mini jigs and spoons all day and couldn't get a bump. They just weren't having it. But as you can see, the trout were obviously there. They just wanted bait, and specifically that corn yellow power bait. They were all over that. I mean, it was unbelievable how much they wanted that bait. Tried other things. They got a taste for the Golden State mice tails in the morning, and they just wanted that corn yellow for whatever reason. That older couple that you saw the Susie catch a fish, it was Ray and Susie, real nice folks. She hadn't caught a fish in over 10 years, and I set her up with a quick Carolina rig and just put on some of that corn yellow, and she was into that fish within about 5 minutes. So that was really cool to be there for that. But yeah, it's like I say, I do all these things, the jigs, the spoons, drop shot, and bait, just so you have different ways to catch these fish. If one thing isn't working, go to the next, and if that ain't working, go to the next, and eventually you can figure them out. It's all about what tools you have in your toolbox, like I like to say. So it was a lot of fun. There are still a ton of fish in Gregory. I know they aren't stocking during the summer, but they stocked it so heavily for a couple months. There's a lot of fish in there. You just got to find them. Lake Gregory, there's lots of structure, lots of cool underwater topography there. You just got to find them day to day. Because like the spot I was at was doing real well. You could go there the next day and get nothing. And it doesn't mean there's no trout in the lake, they just aren't right there. They moved on. Another important thing is all the fish I was catching, I was just sidearm casting, just lobbing it out there about 15 feet. Right beyond the curtain, right beyond where you can't see into the water anymore, and that's where I was getting bit. So always keep that in mind. Whenever you're bait and weight fishing, I always start shallow. and then kind of work my way out. You know, if I'm running 2 rods, I'll put one out a little deeper and always keep one shallow. And 9 times out of 10, they're in shallow, no matter how cold or warm it is. That's just kind of how it is and how they roll for whatever reason. If you want to get your hands on some of those Golden State mice tails or any of the other custom baits they make, I'll put the website right here. They also have mini jigs and minnows and other things. If you don't watch the channel, I catch tons of trout on. And if you want to get some of those RHA spoons that I use, I'll put the website right here. Luke hand paints all of them and got all kinds of different colors and patterns, and they just slay fish. Absolutely love them. Alright, so coming up, I got my my mini jig video is all shot. Just got to put a few edits to it, and it'll be out next week. So I know a lot of you guys are asking about that, and I've been meaning to do it. So finally getting her done. So that'll be out next week. So until next time, always remember to like and subscribe. Leave me lots of questions or comments. I love answering them. If you want to get a hold of me, check me on my Instagram at Sea Spanker Outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Tight lines.